All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to scale your effects, your drop shadow, whatever it is. If it's not going with it, it also works with stroke outline. So I'm going to show you here. This drop shadow here comes out about roughly the same as my design does. So I'm going to scale it down real quick, and you can see now it comes out 5 or 6 times more. So undo that real quick. And what you do is you can either grab your scale tool right here, double click on it, and make sure you have scale, stroke, and effects checked. Now it will work. There's another way to do it here, Illustrator settings, and it's general, and it's right here, scale, stroke, and effects. And now when I do that, I'm going to show you quickly that we're in business. See, it's almost the same as the artwork right there. So that's that. That also works with stroke, which is the outline of your drawing. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.